Washing machine problem. Help. A simple task. Just throw your clothes in the washing machine. What can go wrong? The tablet and everything. And loads of other clothes. How the hell does this little bit of string get caught in there? What the fuck? A simple task of just throwing in the clothes, put a tablet in, let it spin, then put it in the dryer. How the hell did the hoodie thing get caught? If I cut it, that little bit and the metal will be in the other side of the washing machine. It will also fuck up my hoodie. Is that the best outcome I should do? Because I've tried pulling it and squeezing it. It's not coming out.